Welcome to my garden. It couldn't be said better. This is an outcropping of rocks, which I've developed into a little garden. This is a canna lily planted directly into the soil. And this is a canna lily planted into a pot with a Miracle-Gro potting mixture with the yellow bag. It's very, very good. I enjoy using it every year. I've added a geranium, and the squirrels have added a sunflower. The potting soil is excellent for container gardens, and what I do at the end of the season is I empty those pots into any of my gardens and supplement the soil that way. Purple cornflower, and I do have some phlox starting. Some ditch lilies, I like them too. This is the beginning of the phlox. And you can see we have a delightful little outcrop that's not all rocks. I love my garden. I love this time of the year. Everything gets moved around occasionally. Today I put in some ditch lilies into a different area, left these ones, and planted bee balm in its place. The bee balm will flourish here. There's a bit of sun. I've added some Miracle-Gro 20-20-20, which I really think does a lot of good for the plants. Don't forget to fertilize, especially here we're on sand, which doesn't give much nutrients. This is the park. I've showed you that before. Love my park. My little doggies are somewhere.